Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make high waist gather skirts. And all we need for the gather skirt is the waist, the hip and the length. The waist is 27 while the hip 35, then the length is 26. Now let's get started. But mind you, when making a gather skirt, it all depends on your choice anyway. We normally use the hip, that is times 2 of the hips. Then if you want to make it to be that much, to be quite thick, just like my friend was saying, you make it times 3 of your hips. But this client's own is, or maybe you make it times 4. It all depends on the how quite thick you want it to be. But I'm going to start with the length of the skirt. My length of the skirt is 26, but I'm going to add 1 inch for the hemming, that is the down part of the skirt, while the half it's for the joining of the band. So it's going to be 27 and a half. So my 27 and a half will be here, but mind you, I'll minus 3 inch for the band. So to make the calculation easier, I have to minus 3 inches from here. So my 27 and a half will be here. So I finished cutting it, so I need to cut the back and the front. Mind you, I need to minus from the front to add to the back for the zipper. So I think I'm going to need 3 inches for the zipper. The half side of the back will be 1.5, while the other will be 1.5. So I will make it 3 inches for the zipper. Yeah. Or if you like, you make it 2.5, 2, whichever way, whichever one you need. So I'm going to cut. Don't forget, this is times 3 of my hips. So I'm going to cut. So this is for the front and this is for the back. For the band, I'm going to be needing 27, which is the waist, but the seam allowance for the side, the right side, the left side, and the zipper allowance at the back, I'm going to be needing like about 6 inches. So it will altogether will be 33 inches. I'm going to be needing 33 inches. So for the width, I'm going to be needing 3 inch unfold. That is altogether will be 6 inches. Mind you, it will be like this. This is 6 inches. Then when I fold it like this, it will be 3 inches. But I'm going to be needing 1 inch for the seam allowance. That's half inch here and the other half inch the other side. So what I'll be cutting out is 7 inches for the band. So hope you are seeing it. Now this is 7 inches. I'm going to mark it. I finished rolling it. Now is the cutting. So guys, this is the band and this is the belt. The band is 7 inches. As you can see, it's 7 inches. So when it's unfold, excluding the seam allowance, which is 1 inch, it will be 3 inches. Then the 1 inch, that is half inch for this side and the other half inch for this side, altogether will be 1 inch, which is 7. Still the same thing with the belt. You get, the belt will still be the same thing, like as in the 7 inches. So when it's joined this way, you're going to join it at this side, then the other one will be joined at this other side. Then if you like, you tie it at the front. If you like, you tie it at the back or by the side, whichever way you want it to be. Thank you.